Hey, is the band here? We're all set up.
Oh, what band?
The Canadian Mooses. They were supposed to be here a half hour ago.
Canadian? Aren't all mooses Canadian?
That's the name of the band.
What? We got a band?
You booked this band.
I didn't. I thought you booked the band.
You definitely booked the band.
It's hard because, you know, there's people watching. Usually my parents come to the show. Actually, they're the only ones that come to the show. And it's weird because you don't want to have intercourse in front of your family and friends. It's odd. We first heard it was for a charity for alcoholism. But then we found out it was a charity for cancer. So we're like, wow, gay, you know what I mean? But it was okay. We had a good show. There's a lot of people that were watching us tonight, and we're just like, you guys got cancer. I'm just kidding. Don't put that on the game. But anyways, yeah, cancer is sort of fucked up.
And we're like, well, there's 3 of us, so we can't just be the moose. We need to be the mooses. Plural for moose. We kill it for our thousands of people watching. And that's all there is to it. No, we forget about the rumors. No rumors.
I wasn't very drunk. I mean, I would say I was neutral. One, two, three, here we go. Rising up, back on the street.
Fucking Corey. Is he gonna hear this?
Take my time, took my chances.
The thing about Corey is he doesn't know how to play guitar.
Alright, well, if they're not here, could you, like, give them a call or something? I'm kind of busy right now.
You have their number. You have to call them.
I don't have a phone to call them.
You
Could
just had your phone out.
Oh, we're talking...
No.
Matt, yeah, just hold the van. I'll be there, and I kind of have to go. Could you just take...
Can you please just call them quick?
No, I'm not going to be able to do that, sorry.
Well, I think I see them. They must be coming.
The hardest part of the shoot tonight was definitely the whole drinking and driving thing.
I'm so glad you guys made it.
Oh, yeah.
What's the girl for?
It's our mascot.
Oh,
We're the Canadian moose.
He's cute.
Yeah, he is.
Are you guys ready to get going?
We're ready.
Yeah, where's the bar at?
There's no bar. It's a
There's-
charity event
there's-
for kids with cancer.
Where's our green room?
Is this right here?
We don't actually have one here, but there's a bathroom right down the corner, right around the corner.
Where's the Reese's Pieces I requested?
We didn't get that request. I'm sorry.
This bitch tells us that we need to start playing in 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Now, I specifically asked for my Reese's Pieces to be in our green room. What did we not have? Didn't have Reese's Pieces. Didn't have a green room. We had we had a room. That's what we had. And that room was where we played.
Alright, we can do this.
Okay, good.
Hey, but can you start a tab for me at the bar?
There
I
is
won't
no
let you.
bar.
Oh, it's okay.
You guys, there's no bar. You guys can set all your stuff up over here. How long do you think it'll be until you're ready?
10 minutes, probably. What about the bar? Like, we can a tab.
There is no bar here. I'm really sorry. But the event starts in 10 minutes, so I'll let you guys finish setting up and I'll go take care of some other stuff.
Oh, hey, miss.
Yeah?
Corona, please.
We don't have any, I'm sorry.
Okay.
Any
thank you.
Guinness? We don't have any alcohol here, guys.
Alright. But seriously, a Corona would be great.
You guys can get some after you're done.
Okay,
Thank
thanks.
you.
You know, I just showed up and I don't know, I kind of just got stuck in this band.
All right, guys. Got a beer. There you go. There you go.
Yeah, I'm ready, guys. You guys ready? 1, 2.
Wait, no, I'm gonna start it, okay?
Alright.
So, I just start, I don't wanna hear you guys till like the 4th measure, okay? Alright, I go.
As usual.
Here we go.
water. There's not gonna be.
I got you, bro.
Are you guys almost done? We're trying to get started.
Yeah, we're just about
Yeah, we're just about done. But seriously, that Corona would be fantastic.
If you guys could cut back on the alcohol, that'd be great.
Oh yeah,
We're starting.
Charity concert, we got it.
Exactly. Thank
You need to loosen up.
No, I don't want any alcohol.
Hey, I'm almost about done with this one too. You hear me now?
Okay, you guys, that's enough. Really, we need to get started.
All right.
We're good. We're good. Don't worry.
We'll be done in a second. But speaking of a second, can you give me that Corona in a second?
After the show.
All right, thank you.
All right.
When the mist is down my back, on my feet, they will mend and will survive. Corey, you're not the star, and you're just like not hitting any of the notes whatsoever. Have you been practicing?
I do this song every day.
And you're playing like you're like really hyperactive. Like you gotta cut that down a notch.
Who the hell are you?
I'm the star of the show. I am the band.
Why?
Because
According to who?
according to our
For the
bandmate,
Canadian Moose! This is for fucking charity! The Mooses! It ain't just one moose, it's the Mooses!
Canadian Moose and Friends. Yeah, right? Okay, here we go.
Hey, before we start, where's that Corona? Anyone know?
There's no Corona. Let's just go from the top,
Go!
okay?
I got it.
Again, not to the fourth measure. La 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 la. Just to the chorus, okay? It's the eye of the tiger, it's the scream of the night, rising up to the challenge of a riding bull. And the last star that starts to spring in the night, and he's watching us all in the eye of the tiger.
Are you guys ready? The show started 30 minutes ago. What? Are you guys drunk?
Do you have that Corona light?
No, there's no Corona. You guys are drunk.
Nobody is drunk.
You guys, the show's over. Whatever. The show's over. You're done.
We-
You guys can leave.
We
No.
are
Charity!
No, the
For
show
the
is
charity!
Thank you.
we are tuning.
No, you're done.
Cancer.
You guys can go.
I don't like the way I sound.
Hey, I said drop A.
I need quiet!
Drop A!
The show is done. You guys leave.
Oh, good show.
Alright.
I think we killed it.
Good show.
There's Kevin.
Yeah. Hold on, I don't like the way I sound. Right. Yeah. Drum solo.
No, I can't do that. I'm drunk.
Kill it. Go. Yeah. That right there, that's the Canadian Mooses.